Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's been a while since I shared a recipe, so today we're making Beria tacos and I'm going to go ahead and share this recipe with everybody. So you're going to need about 3.5 to 4 pounds of beef. Here we're using tri-tip. You can use any of your favorite cut of beef. And we're going to marinate the beef. So for the dry rub, we're going to need about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon allspice. We're going to add all the ingredients and give it a good rub, and we're going to marinate the beef overnight for 12 to 24 hours is best. The longer it marinates, the better. And we're going to do the next step, which is the sauce. For the sauce, you're going to need 3 tomatoes, chipotle peppers, 2 different types of peppers, which I will have everything written down below, bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and an onion. So we're also going to need 3 cups of broth. I'm going to use vegetable broth, and you need to de-seed your peppers, so make sure all the seeds are out. And in the pan, you're going to add 3 cups of broth and your tomatoes, your onions, your bay leaf, your the cinnamon sticks, the peppers, the chipotle peppers as well, and your thyme and oregano. Mix everything and cover and let that cook for about an hour or so on medium flame. In the meantime, we need to sear the beef. So add just a tiny little bit of olive oil and sear the beef on both sides. Add a little bit of salt and a pepper on top. You can add peppercorns or pepper. I prefer to use ground pepper. And 1 onion in there as well. Once your meat is seared, just take it out of the pot and set it aside. Now we're going to go ahead and make the sauce. Make sure you remove all the bay leaf and cinnamon sticks out of there. Transfer everything to a blender, and we're going to blend all that up. And then you need to add that back to the pot in which we seared the beef. Make sure you don't clean it and leave all that in there, whatever is left from the beef. Blend that up, and we're going to now add it to the pot. So you add all your onions and your beef in there, and whatever remaining broth is left in the container, you can add that in there as well. It's best to cook it in a Dutch oven because it's much thicker, and you can cover it and let that cook on slow medium simmer. After a couple of hours, you need to take out the beef and see if it's you can shred it easily. As you can see here, it's pretty easy to shred. So we're going to take all of the beef out of the pot, and we're going to shred that up. To assemble, you'll need corn tortillas, and we're going to dip that in the sauce and then transfer it to a griddle. And then you can use mozzarella or monterey jack cheese, whichever one is your favorite. Add a little bit of cheese on the tortilla, and then we're going to add a little bit of the shredded beef in there as well. And we're going to do a few at a time and save some time as well. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And here we have a few ready. You can serve them with some chopped up onions, some cilantro, lemon or lime, and enjoy with your family. Add a little bit of the sauce on the side as well for dipping your tacos. So it is a long process and it takes a while, but it is so good and so delicious. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you enjoyed just as much as my family did. Thank you so much again for watching, and see you again with another recipe very soon.